That's how we do it, folks. Along the way, get a few trees with those seeds. It's called like Johnny Appleseed, but I'm more like Johnny Palm Seed.
I think you're more like Joey the Sasquatch, knocking on the trees.
Kind of eccentric. See these? Trachycarpus fortunei seeds, and do we have a lot of Trachycarpus fortunei seeds? So we're going to spread these around the back 40 of our property, and you're going to see, watching this video, how many palm trees we actually have down there. This is how to create a palm forest in the Banana Belt of Canada, folks. Seeds still on the way.
Hey. Oh yeah. Woodpeckers?
Been having fun down here, huh?
Yeah. So we made this.
It's funny how it pecked right through there.
Yeah.
Right in the middle there. They love these trees. Probably full of bugs. It is beautiful down there.
So we made this zigzag trail down to the bottom of the ravine. And all along here, our trail, we've planted clumps of palms. And then Joe's shaking some seeds too.
Shake them. Bash them on rocks, bash them on trees, and they will grow. Palm trees everywhere. That's how the palm trees conquer the north, folks, by sowing the seeds. It's great.
So beautiful.
What I've done over the years is just spread Trachycarpus seeds around in our forest, and that's how you get them to just kind of naturalize. So you can see some of the bigger ones along the creek bed there from seed I spread in the 1990s. And you got to remember, this is growing in a forest. Mm-hmm. This is an alder bottom here in a deep ravine. So these trees in the spring get all their leaves on them because they're deciduous, so it's very shady in here.
Yeah.
So, but you can see there's thousands of palms in here. A few of them have bites taken out from the deer, but check out down here.
Well, no, I was just sort of showing the two sides of that it actually is a ravine, because it dips down here and the water runs all through here, through all the properties. And we just hike down, just to give them the graphic of it.
You want to see something
We
really
hike
cool,
down from up there.
really mind-boggling. You see this? I'm going to get over here without stepping on these palms. You see this? See
What's
this?
that, Joe?
What's going in the creek here?
Okay.
There are palm trees growing in the creek bed right here. These were totally submerged with water. And these aren't the only ones. There's a lot of palm trees growing in this creek. This was overflowing. In January, we had a lot of rain.
Yeah.
And you can see the skunk cabbage coming up here. So
Yeah.
we can throw a few more on the edge of the creek.
Cool, eh?
And they'll grow.
And they were, because that
Oh, it's submerged.
that water was about 1.5 feet high.
Yep. And then here,
It runs through there.
you can see in here, there's another one growing in the creek
Yeah.
there.
Underwater.
Underwater.
In the winter.
These are all palms. Like
Yeah.
literally thousands of them.
Yeah.
And we get up on this side here.
So these are like swamp palms.
I call them Swampsonii because
Swampsonii.
it is so wet down here. The drainage is so poor and it stays wet.
I think you should talk to the Botanical Horticulture Society and have a species of palms that you have
Well, it's been years of experimenting.
acclimatized and experiment. Yeah, they're growing in the water in the swamp.
Underneath the water. You know
Under
what?
the water.
The Horticultural Society did visit our garden last year from Victoria.
But you know how they name palms?
Yeah.
You could have one named Swampsonii.
Well, that's what I call
Palm.
it, just because they do grow in very, very wet conditions. So anyway, I'll get out of here. Man, oh man. It's muddy.
Muddy.
It is really
Mucky.
muddy without standing on any of these things. Leaves. Okay, so over here. So, folks, if you have a forest and you live in this part of Canada, that's how.
Yeah, I mean, the tallest ones that are growing in the swamp are probably at about 3 feet now. And Not as many of them, but they are in here. They're about 3 feet. So every year now, like they'll put on petioles, so it's almost like a foot a year or more. Depends on how much sun they're getting. When they get more sun, the petioles are shorter. When they are in the shade, they have longer petioles. But it's just beautiful.
Bamboo down here, and it actually rotted. It's that wet. But yet these palm trees
Wow.
have adapted. And
I
now
guess
they're
you
coming
have-
up through the pedicites. I'm seeing palms everywhere.
You'd have to get a real water tolerant bamboo. Different
That one
types.
there's not bad.
Yeah, this one's doing really well, but it's not in the water. It's
No.
right by the edge of the pond.
Okay, let's get these over here. We're gonna have a ton of palm trees coming up in here in the spring.